So some great news, you are ready for a code challenge. I think this is the really exciting part because this is a chance where you can put into practice and see if you've actually learned anything, see what you can do on your own. And when I say on your own, you have the code examples that we have done, and everything I'm about to assign to you, we have done, or at least you can do with what we've talked through. You've got the videos. If you need to Google, that's okay, but take it seriously and try and solve it on your own. And if you have trouble, that is okay. We're going to come back in the next video and do it. I'll show you how to do it, but please give it a go. Okay? Going to make a new file and we're going to call it guessthenumber.py. Okay? And this will put everything that we have done into practice. So this is a really good challenge. I'm going to put the things out sort of in list order so you can tackle them one at a time. The first thing you need to do is assign a variable to an integer between 1 and 10. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. You should have no trouble with that. Number 2, ask the user for, let's say, to guess a number between 1 and 10. All right, again, hopefully that is pretty straightforward. Number 3, you will need to cast the number the user gave you into an integer. All right, because this is going to come in, because it's an input, it's going to come in as a string. I'll put 3b here. You could also cast the correct number into a string. Okay, so you could go either way. As a for instance here, I'll put up at the top here, correct number equals 3. You could turn this, right? You could cast that into a string, and then the user's input would be the same data type here, or you could do it the other way around. Either is fine. 4, check to see if the user's number is the same or equals the correct number, right? Because you've cast them now, you can do that. And if so, actually, let's do that for number 5. If so, print an awesome message to the screen. Okay, this is a good sort of reaching point, right? At this point, you will have assigned a variable, you will have used the input box that we've worked on, you will have casted, which is what we just did, like changing the data type of one or the other. You will run a conditional, and you will run the then, right? So this is the if, and then this is the then. As number 6, if not, print a sad message to the screen. Okay, so this is going to be that next part, right? The else part, if you prefer. Number 7, add to the message what the number actually was. Okay, so number 6, you're letting them know, sorry, you guessed the wrong message. In that same message, print off what the number actually was, so that you say something like, and I'll put an example here, sorry, that is not correct. The number was 3, okay? That'll take a little bit more work than just putting them on different lines. Number 8, you're going to have to go back a little bit, and if the number is within 1, print a message that they were close and what the number was. Okay? So all of this together, you have everything that you need. Please give it a shot. Come back in the next video and I will show you how I did it.